What's going on YouTube? This is Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors, bringing you guys another official video. All right guys, if you guys feel like you lost some horsepower, if you feel like you lost some torque, or you feel like your car has not been how it used to be, or you just want to get a little bit of extra spunk, like literally in 30 seconds, I want you to try this hack and see if it works. And if it works, please let me know in the comments. I was blown away from this little hack, or more so this little issue that I found with my Audi. I was so blown away. I tested it out on my friend's Audi and I got the same results. So I'm telling you guys, if you want to know what this secret hack is, to where you can get instant horsepower and instant torque, or get that lost power, watch this video from the beginning to the end and you'll find out how. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you. Did a little Mother's Day shopping, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you the little hack, guys. So all you gotta do, got the car whip over there sitting nice. All right guys, so this is all you have to do. You just gotta come right over here, and all you gotta do is come right over here to the gas tank. Go ahead and open it up. So look guys, so the gas tank, if you are at a point where you have your gas tank, a lot of times they can lose pressure, right? So right here I'm showing you right now. So when you click it, it's supposed to click. Now I'm gonna push this with one finger. This is my bad one. See that? It shouldn't be that loose. Okay, so this means that what happens is these seals on this gas tank wears out. And so when these seals wear out, your actual fuel tank, you have your high flow of fuel pressure and you have your low. This right here will prevent your car from stabilizing right from the pressure. So what you want to do is you want to check to see if this is loose. If you turn it to the left and it's loose and you don't have any pressure on it, that means it's time to change this gas cap. And this right here is the secret key and the secret hack. And if this is sealed and solid, then your low pressure fuel pump will be able to pump the fuel to your high pressure fuel pump, and you can get the right amount of pressure, and that in turn will give you the right amount of power that you need for your vehicle, and you won't end up running lean on your vehicle, and you're going to get the lost horsepower and torque that you had from the beginning. This is just something simply that you can just check. It takes literally 2 seconds to check. I highly recommend it. It worked for me, it worked for a lot of people around me, so I just wanted to share all these little hacks with you guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Once again, thank you for watching the video. This is Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors. Peace, I'm out.